So you can probably tell by looking up above that not only do I need to get a haircut, but I'm also giving you Engagement Monster for free. So Engagement Monster is a software that will actually help you boost your engagement, help you reach more people, have more people actually see your post. It's a software that we actually sell for $27 a month or $270 a year is what I offer it for. People buy it from me all the time and pay $270 a year or pay $27 a month. I'm giving it to you for free. And I'm also going to tell you a little story about Engagement Monster because you're in my member site. So we didn't actually build Engagement Monster. So it's not a software that we actually built. It's actually a software that somebody that was in our partner program was building. So they had hired their own developers and they were actually building it, and things kind of started going south with their developers. They couldn't get more features and functionalities built, and they kind of drained all their money actually building it. And then they could also no longer afford our partner program because instead of selling our software or anything, they were actually just focused on building their own software. So anyways, they made a deal with me and they said, hey, if I just let you take over Engagement Monster, will you use that as payment for my partnership fees for the next year? And for me, it was like a no-brainer deal. So I was like, yeah, sure, why not? So basically, they transferred over the software to me. They basically gave me the source code to the software, which was not really that great. And I accepted it as payment for them. And then I just added it to the partner program for people to actually use for, like they do all our software to sell and actually make money, and started actually selling it as well, let some people actually white label it. So it's not a software that we have actually built. So we actually had plans to make our own version of Engagement Monster, but unfortunately those plans just never came to fruition. So we never actually did those plans. And now we're actually building our version of Engagement Monster inside of Friender. So anyways, just thought I'd share that story with you, that it's not actually a software that we built. It wasn't actually built by our team. It was built by somebody else. And they ended up actually just giving me the software as form of payment for one of my offers. I do sell it though, like I said, however, for $27 a month or $270 a year, and people buy it all the time. But because you're in my membership site, I'm giving it to you for free. So you can just look down below, there's a button you can click and you can go out and actually get your free account on Engagement Monster. If you're not watching this inside my membership site, you should be, because that's where all these free goodies are. That's literally where I'm giving you over $380 a month worth of software that other people pay me for, that I'm giving you for free. That's where I have a full social selling course teaching you how I've made over $4.5 million from random strangers on Facebook, what my process is. People have paid me over $3,000 for that actual course. And there's so much other stuff inside my membership site, and it's only $1. So if you're not watching this video inside my membership site, if you're just seeing it on Facebook, if you're just seeing it on YouTube, and you're like, man, I really need to get into this membership site, you can look down below and you'll see a link where you can join my membership site for just $1, and you can get access to, over $380 a month worth of software that you don't actually have to pay for, that will actually help you in organic marketing and so much other stuff. If you are in the membership site, then just look below. There's the button that you can click to go out and get your free account on Engagement Monster and save yourself $270 a year.